Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about new poem. Poem's name is The Little Busy Bee. This poem is written by Isaac Watts. The Little Busy Bee, this title is apt and appropriate. It is a suggestive which is given by our well-known poet. Poet's name is Isaac Watts. Now we will concentrate on who was Isaac Watts. Now we concentrate on introduction of Isaac Watts. Isaac Watts was born on July 17, 1674 and died on November 25th, 1748. He had mastered Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. The first hymn book composed by him for children was Horia Lyric. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past, the Psalm of David and Jesus, the shall reign. It is a little bit introductions about the Isaac Watts. Isaac Watts was born on 17th July 1674 and he was died on the 25th November 1748. His contribution was very important to our English literature. And so here he was a well-known poet, very famous poet in English literature. He knew that so many languages. About the Latin he knew that, Greek also knew that, Hebrew and the French also he knew that. The first hymn, he means such as the book for the religious, means it is a type of a religious book or religious poem. Hymn book composed by him for children like Horia Lyric. Horia Lyric is a name of a hymn of a book. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past. Popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past. Second one is that the Psalm of David. Second one is that Psalm of David. And the third one, last one is that is Jesus shall reign. Jesus shall reign. Such is the hymn, popular hymn which is mentioned in that the book. Hymn book's name is that Horia Lyric. Horia Lyric. It is a little bit introductions about that the Isaac Watts. About Isaac Watts. Now we turn to our poem. Poem's name is The Little Busy Bee. This poem is written by well-known poet Isaac Watts. This title is apt and appropriate suggestive title. What is the message of this poem? They will ask one question on it. What is the message of this poem which is given by Isaac Watts? The message is very important for you. We must be busy. The message, what is the message of this poem? We must be busy like a little bee. Like a little bee. You see the size of bee. Bee means that is a madhamas. What is the work of bee and what is the work of you? You think on it. What is the size of bee and what is the size of you? You think on it. The message of this poem is we must be busy and always do useful work for society, useful work for the human being, It's a very important year. As a human being, you are a human being. What is your role in our society? What is your duty? You think about that. Nowadays, we don't know about that. What are our duties? We don't know what are the responsibilities. We don't know what is the role in a society. We don't know about that. But the little BGB, B is always busy in her work. B is always busy in her work. What is the size of a B? Very little size. Very little size. But what is the work of B? Work of B is a very great one. Very great one. And for the others, not herself, but only and only for others, for the society, for the human being. Means the Miss B knows that what is her role. But as a human being, we don't know. We don't know about our role in our society. Like a bee, you must be busy in your work and to do good work for others, for the society. It's a message which is given by our well-known poet. Poet's name is the Isaac Watts. The bee is always busy. Okay, no problem. Bee is always busy. The word always is very important. Are you always busy in your work? No. But what about the bee? Bee is always busy in her work. Bee builds the hive very skillfully, very beautifully, and stores sweet honey in it. Sweet honey. Honey, mud. Honey means that is a mud. It builds the hive very beautifully, neatly, skillfully, and she stores sweet honey in it. Like BGB, we too must be busy and always do useful work for the others. It is a message which is given by Isaac Watts through this poem. Poem's name is that The Little BGB. The Little BGB. Now we turn to the next task, that is a IRA. IRA means what? IRA, already last periods we have discussed about the IRA and ILA. IRA means Introductory Reading Activity. IRA, Introductory Reading Activity. Already we have discussed in the last periods. ILA means Introductory Listening Activity. ILA. Now we are going to discuss about that IRA, Introductory Reading Activity. One passage is given here. Small passage is given here, and on that the passage, so many questions are set on it. It is a homework for you. You can write such a homework in your notebook. One passage is given about that the Sir M. Vishweshwarya. Sir M. Vishweshwarya. Such a passage is given on it. Now we are going to read on. Such a passage about Sir M. Vishweshwarya. Sir M. Vishweshwarya was a Diwan of Mysore state As a student, he earned the money by giving a tuition to student and paid his school fees. He made a name as a chief engineer and later as Diwan of Mysore. He was always busy in some useful work or the other. He used to work for more than 10 hours. 10 hours. He was a punctual, waqtasirpana. He was a punctual, self-disciplined, swaynsist. He was a punctual, self-disciplined and the straightforward. He lived for 101 years. He lived for 101 years. He was awarded the highest honor, that is a Bharat Ratna, prestigious award which is given by Government of India to that the well-known engineer Sir M. Vishweshwarya. Such the passage, small passage is given, and on that the passage so many questions, nearly 7 questions are set on it. You can write such the questions, answer in your notebook. And now here we turn to our poem. Poem's name is The Little BGB, which is given by Isaac Watt. This poem is very important for you. This poem is for memorization. ही कविता पाठांतरासाठी आहे. This poem is for memory. Now, in this poem, how many stanzas? There are 4 stanzas. How many lines? 16 lines in it. This poem is very simple to understand. Simple to understand. And now here we concentrate on our poem. Poem's name is that The Little BGB, which is written by Isaac Watts. How doth the little BGB? How doth the little BGB improve its shining orb and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors her to store it well with the sweet food she makes. In a work of labor or of a skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. In a books or work or helpful play, let my first year be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last. It is the small poem. Now we concentrate on the stanza by stanza. We are going to learn stanza by stanza. So let's start the first stanza. How doth the little BGB improve its shining orb, gather honey all the day from every opening flower? BG means the bee is always busy in a work. Our bee is a very, very little bee. And how she works? You try to understand. She becomes ideal for you. Adarsha. You can learn from that the work of a bee. She is always busy in a work. She is always engaged in a work. You should always engage or busy in your work. You try to understand this. How doth the little BGB? Doth means, that is the word archaic words. Archaic words means such the words the poet used in a 13th, 14th, 15th century. डोथ सारखे शब्द, अनेक शब्द प्राचीन काळामध्ये वापरले जात होते. आणि हा डोथ म्हणजे सध्या आपण जो वापरतो तो शब्द म्हणजे दॅट इज अ डज. डज, डोथ means does, already given in a glossary. You read such a the glossary, will get an idea. Such a words are known as archaic word. अशा शब्दांना आर्किक वर्ड्स म्हटलं जातं की जे पूर्वीच्या काळामध्ये वापरले जात होते आणि सध्या ते वापरले जात नाही आहेत. हाऊ डोथ द लिटल बीजीबी, हाऊ does the little BGB. You see, the BGB means B is always little, means always busy in her work. Improve is shining hour. Yes, very important. Time and tide wait for none. काळ आणि वेळ कुणासाठी थांबत नाही. Time and tide wait for none. So here you should shine your each and every hours. आणि म्हणून प्रत्येक तास, प्रत्येक वेळ, प्रत्येक सेकंद, प्रत्येक मिनिट हा तुम्ही शायनिंग केला पाहिजेत, प्रज्वलित केला पाहिजेत, स्वतःसाठी दुसऱ्यासाठी उपयोगात आणला पाहिजेत. यस, लाईक दॅट, लाईक दॅट. व्हॉट इज द वर्क ऑफ बी? शी शाइन्स, शी इम्प्रूव्ह इच शायनिंग अस, शी शाइन द इच अँड एव्हरी अस फॉर द अदर्स, नॉट हरसेल्फ, for the others. This is very important. Improve each shining hour. प्रत्येक तासन तास, प्रत्येक तासन तास, मिनिट सेकंद म्हणतो प्रत्येक सजीवासाठी ती घालवते आहे. Improve each shining hours and gather honey all the day. What is the work of our honey? What is the work of the bee? To gather, to collect, गोळा करणे. To gather, to collect honey all the day from every opening flower. She is sucking, शोषून घेणे. suck means शोषून घेणे. She is sucking honey from the opening flowers. She gather, she collect honey from that all the every opening flowers. It is a regular work of our bee, little bee. You should like that, you should do like that. And then the year, how does the little bee improve its shining hour? To gather honey all the day from every opening the flower. Yes. Now we turn to the next stanza. How skillfully she builds her cell, how skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors her to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Again you see what is the work of a little bee. What is the work of little bee? You think on it. How she skillfully she builds her cell. Cell means, that is a given here. Cell means small compartment in the hive. Hive means मधाचं पोळं. Hive means मधाचं पोळं. आणि या मधाच्या पोळ्यामध्ये छोटे छोटे होल असतात. कसं स्किलफुली बांधलेलं आहे. You think on it. How skillfully she builds. She means little bee. How skillfully she build her cell, each compartment in the hive. How skillfully she built. She builds skillfully, neatly, beautifully. कसं पद्धतशीरपणे बांधलेलं असतं बघा. प्रत्येक होल बघा. ऑब्झर्व करा. You should observe. You will get an idea. What is the work of little bee? Such a work is a very great work. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spread her wax, and how she spread her, that is a wax, neatly, beautifully, skillfully. Yes, skillfully. बघा, वॅक्स म्हणजे मेन म्हणतो, मेन, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असलेलं मेन मधाचं पोळं त्या पोळ्याला लागून असलेलं जे मेण आहे ते कसं स्प्रेड केलेलं असतं. यू थिंक ऑन इट. हाऊ नीटली शी स्प्रेड हर वॅक्स. लेबर्स हार्ड टू स्टोर इट वेल. Labor hard. It is not a joke. It is not an easy task to collect the honey and she builds such the hive, small compartments hive, and how to she store such the honey in it. It is not a joke. It is not a simple task. Very difficult task. But she can do, or she do like that. She do like that. Oh, sorry, she does like that. The labors are to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. She makes such a food. She makes such a food very beautifully. Already we know that. Labors hard to store it well. It means honey. The word it is a refer to what? Refer to what? Refer to that is a honey well, and it is a sweet food. What is a sweet food? Which is created by a little bee? That is a honey. That is a honey. Now we turn to the next stanza. In a work of labor of skill, in a work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. Yes? In a work of labor and work of skill, it's very important. Yes, okay, no doubt. It is a work. How the little bee stores such a honey in that the hive. How she builds such a her cell or such a hive. How she spreads such a wax. Means it is not a simple task. It is a hard work. Hard work is a very important. Very important. While doing such a work hard, automatically will get the success. Definitely will get the success, no doubt. In work of labor or of skill, work, labor, skill, it's very important. I would be busy too. Yes, the poet, I means who here? Our poet. I would be busy too. Me Sudha asu shakel. Yes, I would be busy too, for Saturn finds for Saturn finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. But what happened here? One thing is that idle time is a Saturn's workshop. One phrase, one proverb. I remember one that is a phrase. Idle time is a Saturn's workshop. सैतानाचं घर म्हणतो की रिकामा वेळ म्हणजे सैतानाचं घर. आपल्याला जर रिकामा वेळ असेल तर आपल्याला आपण काही वेगळंच काहीतरी करतो. समाजासाठी आपण कुठलंच कार्य करत नाही. काहीतरी विचित्र असं वेगळ्या पद्धतीचं समाज ज्याला उपयोग नसणारं असं आपण कार्य करत राहतो. I would be busy too, for Saturn finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. And such as the idle hand, idle, not ideal. Ideal means others. Idle means alsi. Alsi, idle. I-D-L-E. Idle means alsi. And ideal means I-D-E-A-L. I-D-E-A-L. Ideal means adarsha. And idle, I-D-L-E. Idle means that is a आळशी. आणि जर आपण आळशी असाल तर नक्कीच तिथं सैतान घुसतो. डोक्यामध्ये सैतान घुसतो. वाईट विचार घुसतात. सैतान म्हणजे वाईट विचार. आणि हे वाईट विचार जर तुमच्या डोक्यामध्ये घुसले तर ऑटोमॅटिक हातामध्ये येतात आणि हातून एखादं वाईट कृत्य घडू शकतं. आणि म्हणून सातत्यानं आपल्या कामामध्ये, समाज उपयोगी कामामध्ये एंगेज झालं पाहिजेत, तरच आपण काहीतरी चांगल्या पद्धतीचं जीवन जगू शकतो. अन्यथा आपण चांगल्या पद्धतीचं जीवन जगू शकणार नाही. द पोएट सेज लाईक दॅट. खोडकर सॅटर्न, सॅटर्न म्हणजे सैतान, SATAN, सॅटर्न म्हणजे सैतान. सैतान शिरला तर ते खोड्या करतं, तुमची मजा करतं, मजा करतो तुमची, तुमच्या हातून मग एखादं समाजोपयोगी काम होणार नाही. सो दॅट्स वाय यू रिमेंबर दॅट डेफिनेटली सॅटर्न एंटर्स इन युअर माइंड. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. Definitely the Saturn's enters in your mind, and you can do that is a bad work. Definitely you can do such a bad work. In work of labor or of skill I would be busy too, for Saturn finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. So you remember that you should lead your life like a BGB, like a not a BGB. You should lead your life like that. Then now we turn to the next. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last. And now here the poet says like that. Poet says about his childhood days or past days, earlier days. Now here we are going to discuss. Now we are going to discuss about the past days of our poet, earlier days of the poet, childhood days of the poet, childhood days of the poet. When he was a child, when the poet was a child, what was the activity in those days? What was the work of our poet? You see, in books or a work or helpful play, they lead their life. They lead their life in, or he was engaged in books, reading books. He was engaged in reading a book. He was engaged in his work. He was engaged in a helpful game, helpful outdoor games, playing outdoor games, such as the exercise, different types of exercise, physical game, yes, physical exercises. He was engaged in his work. He was engaged in his work in his childhood days. In books or work or helpful play, let my first year be passed. Yes, let my, the word my is a refer to whom? Our the poet Isaac Watts. Let my first year be passed, that I may give for every day. Yes. And now here already given first means the first years, means earlier years or boyhood days. I may give for every day. Every day. It was a work of our Isaac Watts to work, or to work, or to read a books, or to play such a helpful game, helpful exercises. Everything he had done. That I may give for every day some good account at last. Some good account at last. Give account means already given in a glossary. You see, say what you have done. He had done. He had done. He had done everything. To that is to read a book, to work, or to play helpful games, different types of those like that. And now here that I may give for every day some good account at last. At last means at the end of his life. He had done everything. Our poet had done everything. Means here we try to understand the aim, means intention of the poet while giving such a poem to you. You should lead your life like a BGB. You should be busy in your work, and such a work is a very important for the others. And in short, what is the message of this poem? Or you must be busy and to do useful work for the others. It is a message which is given by the poet. Poet's name is that Isaac Watts. It is a short poem. This poem is a memorization. ही कविता पाठांतरासाठी आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.